Hello everyone. Welcome back to Madam H. Well, in today's video, we are going to talk about the Aravalli Hills. You think hills are just land, but these hills control Delhi's air, Rajasthan's water, and North India's climate. Meet the Aravallis, older than the Himalayas, but are now fighting bulldozers instead of time. Green or grey, nature or development? Let's talk in detail. Well, you all must have heard the news and gone through the intricacies and nuances of the Aravalli issue. Well, just today, Supreme Court put a stay on the 100-meter definition of the Aravalli Hills. And they have also decided to set up a new expert panel to resolve the ambiguities and clear the definition of Aravallis. You all must have heard that if Aravallis given the new definition of the 100-meter range, majority part of the Aravalli Hills and its ecological system would be ruined because it would then be open for uncontrolled mining activities and it would result in the destruction of the environment. But in this video, we are going to deal with the legalities and the exam point of view content that is required for you to study. So in this, I'll deal with the two very basic topics that revolve around the Aravalli concept and are important from any exam point of view, be it UPSC, SSC, CUET or CLAT. So it is going to be very important for you. So let's dive in. As we all know that the Aravalli range is among the world's oldest living mountain systems and are also often termed as the geological spine of northwest India. It stretches about 690 kilometers from Champaner in Gujarat, runs through Rajasthan and Haryana up to Raisina Hills in Delhi. You have to remember that these mountains are divided into two main ranges, the Sambhar Sirohi ranges and the Sambhar Khatri ranges. Majority part of the Aravalli Hills lies in Rajasthan. The Aravallis are arguably the oldest geological feature on Earth and have their origin in the Proterozoic or the Precambrian era. Now you have to mark this important for geography people, for all those who are appearing for geography in CUET or SSC or any one day exam or even for UPSC. This is very important that from which era this mountain finds its origin. This range rose in a Precambrian event that is often called as Aravalli Delhi orogen. As we all know that the process of formation of mountains is known as orogeny. So it is therefore called as Aravalli Delhi orogen. Now remember, this is a very important one-liner fact for the exams that Guru Shikhar is the highest mountain peak which is situated in Rajasthan. Now Aravallis are very important for us for different reasons and we are all aware of it. Like for example, they are a source of many rivers like Luni, Banas, Sahibi. They are a great green wall because they prevent the extension of the Thar desert. Had Aravalli been not there, the Thar desert would have expanded and engulfed the part of Punjab, Haryana and western UP. It helps in recharging the groundwater level and regulate the monsoon activities. They are also called as green lungs because the forests that are situated or that are located in the Aravallis, they absorb a great amount of carbon dioxide and PM 2.5 and help purify the air. They are also called as winter shield because they prevent the winds, the cold winds reaching the northwestern part and the other parts of the northern India from reaching them and freezing them, prevents them from freezing. Now while we study this, I would like to bring into your notice and in your information that in 2019 a project was launched by the Union Ministry for Environment, Climate and Forest Change that is known as the Aravalli Green Wall Project. Now you have to remember here is that this project was inspired from the Africa's Great Green Wall Initiative. Now there is a Sahara Desert in Africa, and an initiative was launched there known as Great Green Wall Initiative, Africa's Great Green Wall Initiative, that prevented the extension, that aimed at preventing the extension of the Sahara Desert. And there were 10 countries involved in it, from Senegal to Eritrea. Clear? So on those same lines, India also launched something which is known as Aravali Green Wall Project. Now in this, approximate 1400 to 1600 kilometer forest belt was likely to run from Porbandar to Panipat and would cover entirely the Aravalis. And this green wall would have acted as a barrier of dust from the west and would check the eastward march of the Thar Desert. As I told you, this prevents the extension of the Thar Desert. तो मरुस्थलीकरण जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना, डेजर्टिफिकेशन को बढ़ने से वो रोकता है. क्लियर? And it would also help. See, it's written here, it would also help check the desertification by restoring degraded land through massive afforestation. What is afforestation? Afforestation means the planting of more trees. Now here, for law students specifically, something very important is dealt in this particular case of Aravali is the precautionary principle. Now, what is precautionary principle? This principle finds its origin in several international, conferences like UNCCD and Stockholm Declaration and several more. However, this principle was in depth discussed for the first time in India in the case of Vellore Welfare Citizens Forum versus Union of India. Now, what is this principle? This principle is a legal principle of environmental jurisprudence, and it states that whenever there is a threat to environment and human health, the governments, the states must adopt precautionary measures even though no scientific proof of harm is present. So the court was of the opinion that development and environment are not antagonistic to each other, meaning they are not opposite to each other, and that sustainable development is the need of the hour. अब हमें और आपको सबको पता है, और जिसे नहीं पता है, जस्ट रिमाइंड यू वंस व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट का मतलब होता है दैट वी विल यूज आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इन सच अ मैनर दैट हम अभी तो उसको यूज करेंगे ही, प्लस वी विल लीव देम फॉर आवर फ्यूचर जनरेशंस ऑल्सो. तो हम अपने नेचर और एनवायरनमेंट को इस तरह से नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को यूज करें सो दैट दे डोंट गेट फिनिश अवे right now for us, and we'll leave nothing for our future generations. So the court held that sustainable development is the need of the hour, and therefore if you are doing development, you cannot keep a blind eye on the environmental concerns. Now, in further, the other cases also, just like Narmada Bachao Andolan case and all, the court was clearly of the opinion that the onus or the burden of proof shifts to the person who states that the activity is not harmful, meaning whosoever is saying that this particular construction activity, mining activity, or any activity, developmental activity, they are saying that it is not harmful to the environment, have to prove it that it is not harmful. So it is not on the people to fight for the environment, rather it is the duty of the person who's carrying out the activity to prove that the activity being carried out is not harmful. So this is the precautionary principle. You have to remember that in which case it was first discussed and what it means. Clear? And as we all know that there was a report in Down to Earth magazine that a major part of Aravalis have been already degraded, and like a lot of mining activities, illegal mining activities were being carried out, and because the reason is that Aravalis are very much rich in resources like copper, zinc, lead, marble, etc. So you have to remember what all resources are found in Aravalis. However, all this is already in the news, so I just wanted to discuss mainly with you the precautionary principle and the Aravali Green Project. However, do tell me in the comments how do you like the video, and if you like the video and if you demand in the comment section, I would come up with the second part and deal with the major issues that that unfold from this topic. So in the end, I would just like to conclude by saying that Aravalis are the breathing point, or Aravalis are the life sustenance system for every human being, living in India. So we have our firm faith in the Supreme Court, and let's see what new unfolds. Madam H is here to simplify it in the easiest way possible to you. So please like the video, share it as far as possible, comment down whatever you need, whatever your requirements are, and Madam H will be present. So thank you so much. Please stay tuned, and let's try our best that Aravalis stay intact.